But today, it's getting a second life. Watch what happens when passion meets restoration. This vintage big bike was left to rot for years. No engine sound, no color, no hope. But today, it's getting a second life. Watch what happens when passion meets restoration. Meet Bob, who found this 1980s bike model sitting in a barn, collecting dust. Most people would walk away, but he saw potential. Bought it for just $100, and the real journey began. Every bolt told a story. Every part had a memory. It took hours of scrubbing, fixing the frame, tuning the engine, and then came the color. The new paint job, a deep, midnight black with gold trim. Classy, bold, timeless. It wasn't just about looks, it was about honor, giving this beast the soul it once had. From rust to roar, this big bike is alive again, a symbol of craftsmanship, patience, and passion. Would you have seen what he saw in this machine? Subscribe for more amazing restorations. Every machine has a story. We bring them back to life.